Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to enable voice input speak to text on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Easily enable this. If you don't get this option I'm provide, how can easily get this? Simply open your settings, scroll down, press on general management. Okay, showing it to keyboard. So as you can see, not showing it to voice input option, so don't upset. Open your Galaxy Store or Play Store. I'm recommend you just open your Play Store. Go to search option, search set to Gboard. At first need to install this Gboard. I'm already installed this. Okay, and so you just open your Gboard. Okay, you get theme option. Go to theme section, showing it to more theme, showing it to color, light, dark, gradient. If you want to set your own image, press on and select, press on next. Increase or decrease brightness for adjustment, press on done, press on apply. Okay, and need to change another settings. Open your settings again. Okay, scroll down, reopen general management, Samsung keyboard settings. Okay, select keyboard. So make sure to must be enable Gboard option. If you don't enable Gboard option, you don't get this feature. Make sure to enable and select Gboard. Okay, overall done, and you just enjoy this feature. Like open this. That's it.